Right away. You see me? Right now you know say a June Buck, you know. You see me I say Misfit Nation. You see me I say. Right now I want to big up all of my fans them. You see me? You check out my tune them on Facebook and YouTube and love it off and tell me say yo, keep doing my thing. I'm gonna keep doing my thing. You see me I say? Yeah man, right now we soon have a video for coming soon, you know. After the tune. Why? So now look out for that one day. You know a girl them, you know I'm gonna love it already, you know, cause I love the kid. You see me I say I love the vice. You see me I say me I go now look up peace. You see me? Alright. Why you have to pack up and go, girl? Why you have to leave me in the cold, girl? I ain't thought you care for me the same way I care for you, girl. Why you have to pack up and go, girl? Why you have to leave me in the cold, girl? I ain't thought you care for me the same way I care for you, girl. I thought you was gonna be here to the end. I thought you was gonna be my best friend. Me love you from me day at school and in a grade 10. Baby girl, me serious now, me not pretend. But you pack up and go. Me have to draw for your paper and I write with this pen. But one of these days when me chillin' on the block with my friends, me have to see your face back again. Girl, I hope you get the letter when me send. The one when me tell you say me love you from when. From me day at high school and the love can't end. And me sorry say me never get to kiss your lips them. Yeah man, right away. You see me I say?